My name is Amy Navarro here at Stitchin Heaven, your Block of the Month headquarters. I get to show you a new month one package, guys. This is for Emma Block of the Month, and you're going to see your pattern and your fabrics, and I'm even going to show you the welcome letter. All right, guys, let's get into it. So this pattern is called Sadie and Emma because there's two different colorways that Linda McGibbon's design from Lakeview Quilting. They both finish up at 86 by 86. We're going to be doing the beautiful blue Emma together, okay? So that's the picture on the front there, gives your fabric requirements, and then here is your month one pattern. It's going to show you both colorways, okay? But again, we're focusing down here on the blue. It's going to list here your fabrics, how to cut your fabrics, and how to sew them together. And then it's going to give you the rest of your months. You're going to get your whole pattern in your month one package, okay, guys? So look at these perfectly cut and labeled, beautiful batik fabrics, guys. We got this black here that's going to accent all of these lovely blues, and it's going to give you also your fabric key here with all of those colors, and we have them listed out in exactly their sizes on each of these, making it super easy for you guys, okay? So in your month one, you're also going to get a welcome letter. It's going to show the welcome Emma, the date that the package is going to mail out to you. And on the inside, a beautiful full color picture there of what your quilt is going to look like when you're finished with it, guys. On the inside, we have our QR codes. The first one here is probably the most important. I like to call it that anyways. It's your Facebook group QR code. When you get this, go ahead and scan that with your phone. You're going to sign up for our Facebook group. That is where you're going to have your community for this project, okay? So everyone that's doing the Emma Block of the Month during this run has the opportunity to join that Facebook group and then also share all of your journey there, your pictures, any comments, questions, concerns you have. We will communicate with you there too if anything comes up during the program. Next, you're going to have a fabric key from us at Stitchin Heaven. That is the link for this. It'll take you to there. You can sign up for our newsletters to see any of the future Block of the Month programs or just keep in touch with what Stitchin Heaven is doing in general. Then your last QR code is going to be where you're going to update any address, phone number, billing information if you need to do that during the program. On the back is some general Stitchin Heaven information. That's going to be our address, our store hours, our phone number, our email, and our website. If you did not sign up for this Emma Block of the Month program, you can go to our stitchinheaven.com website and check out all of our Block of the Month programs there, guys. There's going to be something you're going to love, okay? So just another quick comment here. This program does include backing, so you're going to get all of the fabrics to finish your quilt top and your backing. Get you some batting as you get towards the end of your journey, sewing all of these beautiful fabrics together, and then you'll have a completed quilt. Okay, guys, that's all I have this time. Y'all have a wonderful day. See you later.